In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this pop-up effect in Canva. I already inserted the same image. I just fitting in the page like this. Then we are going to the elements, then frames, and we have to find this triangle. In the basic shapes, unfortunately, the triangle what we need is not exist. So we are scrolling down to the trending. And here in the trendings, we can find this black right triangle frame. So I just add this, rotating to -90, adding here, increasing the size like this, and duplicate, not the page, sorry, duplicate the element, rotate to 90 degrees, and moving down to here. And now going back to the elements, we can add the image what we would like to use. Double click on it, and we can change into the direction what we really need, like this, and moving a bit like to here and done. And here just click the second frame. As you can see, it is transparent now, but you click on it, color picker, and color picker, and we can add the color what we want. And this is how we can have this effect. But if you would like to have her also outside, you just have to do again the same trick. Like in the other tutorial, we just need to increase the size, removing the background, like here. Then we can crop like this, and we here already have the image what we want. I just see this at the bottom, not so good, but not a problem. This is not important. You can see how the effect is how the effect is made. But now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.